Hello, dear. So, today onwards, we are stepping into the lessons of drawing. The first thing we have to learn about the drawing is the elements of art. Okay, the elements of art basically means that are the features that are included within your drawing. Actually, that means they are the components or the parts of your drawing. Okay, that these parts can be isolated and defined separately. In short, if we say they are the building blocks of your drawing. Okay, that means each block by block you can separate it and all together becomes your drawing. Okay, so this elements of art will help you to inspect the composition of art actually. So each element, if you give more importance and if you put more effort to improving each element properly, can improve the total outlook of your drawings. So, as I told, there are seven elements of art. They are the line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space. Okay, so for the beginner basic batch, that for the little ones, we will focus on the first three elements of art, that are line, shape, and color. These are the fundamental or the very easiest three elements we can focus now. Okay, so let's focus on that. The first element, that is a line. You know, all of you know that what is a line, right? So it can be defined as a mark on a surface, or it can also be called like a moving dot. Like if you imagine like a dot keep on moving, that become a line. Okay, so that is the definition of line, if you say. And this is the most basic element of the art. That means the very foundation of the drawing or painting also, because we whatever we start drawing, we either use a line, right? So and we will focus more on these lines, like the type of lines, line quality, etc., later in another session. Okay, so just remember the definition only. And we will move on to the next element, the second one, that is the shape. And this shape also, you know that very properly, and the shape can be defined as a flat enclosed area, and it have a length and width as well. That means if you keep drawing few lines and make it like a closed path, it become a shape, right? So the basic shapes you already know, that is circle, triangle, rectangle, square, and all this. So if you use one single line, you can make a circle shape. If you use three lines, you can make a triangle shape. And if you use four lines, you can make a square, rectangle, or diamond, or such any shape. But with two lines, we can't make an enclosed shape. So that's why we are not making mentioning any shapes for that. So that's all about the shapes, and definitely we will look more into this in the next video. And the third one, let's move to the third one now. That is the color. Okay, the third element of art is the color. As you all know, the color is very important, and when we make the drawing colorful, it will become more beautiful. Even if it's a pencil drawing, it is like a black and white or like gray shade, gray tone shade, so that's also a color. So color is one of the most important thing of the art, and you basically know the colors. Now we will see what is a color, or how we will see the colors actually. It's a little bit big topic, but we can just tell it in a simple way. As you all know, the light falls on a surface, like if it is our drawing or any object around you, but that light is reflected from that surface. Okay, but each light wave is reflecting in a different because of the different wavelength it is reflecting in, and it shows like different colors. Okay, as the wavelengths difference, this light reflection is shown in different color. And if it is reflecting red color, it's going to absorb all the other colors. And if it is reflecting violet color, it's going to absorb all colors and reflecting only the violet in the Vibgyor spectrum, in the rainbow colors. You know that already. So we will look into this also a little bit more detailed in the next video. So, in today's session, we have understood about what is the elements of art and what are the seven elements of art. And out of the seven elements, we focused on the first three and we got a vague idea about these three elements as well. Next class onwards, we will learn more about these three elements. So, all of you, just note it all this, and also if you have any doubt regarding this, please ask me anytime. See you for next class. Take care, dears.